Now we'll go up through the mall and come out here, and bang, you're at the monorail entry. Here. We've just got off the train from Batu Caves, which comes up here, Gate C, Gate D, to go down. Quite simple, about 8 stations, and now we're in KL Sentral, and you head up these stairs, escalators, to go up to where, and walk through the mall to go to get the monorail. If you come by bus, Clear Express or any of the buses, which you look for the word BAS, B-A-S, it will be below here under these escalators. So down here towards the left, go through the glass doors, go down the stairs of the escalators, and you'll see all the buses, and just buy a ticket there, and that's where you'll get off when you come from the airport, and you get the bus on the ground level when there's ticket counters. And now we'll go up through the mall, the new Central, and head to the monorail. Okay, we're in the mall, just up the escalators and stairs. I suggest you follow these things on the floor if you want to get to the monorail. Not many people tell you this. I'll tell you to walk through and look for the signs. Just follow these marks on the floor. They'll get you around to a door, and I'll show you when we get there. So you follow this on the floor and it turns, and you can take a lift up there, okay, but you go take the escalators down. Instead of going to following it, just go down to the bottom of the escalators. So when you get out of the elevators over there, you'll see the markings on the floor again, and they just lead over to the glass doors, and come out here, and bang, you're at the monorail entry. Now if you don't have change for the machine, you just go to the window over there, and you get change for the machine, then you can go get your tokens. Okay, so this is how you use it. Turn it on, check English up the top, go to the green line, which is the monorail. Okay, we choose our station, Bukit Bintang, choose how many people,
So
2,
it's
5, and we pay cash. Okay, so whilst Rona gets the cash, there should be a 5 in there, which is the green. And that's it. Slide your cash in. And just wait for your tickets to come down the bottom here.
token.
A token. That's it. And you keep these to the end of your journey, because you've got to put them into a slot. And I'll show you when we scan on. So once you've got the tickets, that's where we come in. And again, you can just keep following these marks if you don't know where you're going. So this is the process. You've got your token. That's it. And you're in. And you just keep your token to the end of the journey. And we wait the monorail. Here to here. And now we're on. Waiting departure. we're now off at Bukit Bintang, and we'll just watch how Rona does this. So all you do is you drop it in the slot, walk through. Drop it in the slot, walk through, and done. And that's how you use the monorail.